Welcome back, everyone. Today's adventure brings us to Paw Paw Tunnel, just outside of Paw Paw, West Virginia. This is part of the old C&O Canal. Construction began in 1836. It was supposed to be done by 1838, but the final bricks weren't put in place until 1850. The companies involved in the construction of the canal hired a lot of different newcomers to this country, so the workers here made up a big melting pot of different cultures. There were also very harsh work conditions, and this led to a lot of riots and disputes between the workers, which somewhat accounts for the delay in its construction. Nevertheless, the tunnel itself is very impressive. It's 3,000 feet long. It's in incredible shape for its age, and this area is open to the public if you want to come visit. I highly recommend it if you're in the area. Thank you all for joining me today. If you like this sort of content, please like and subscribe. I'll have plenty more adventures coming out, and I'm hoping to do at least one adventure every week. So, that being said, I'm done talking. Let's go check this cool tunnel out. So down here we can see the old canal. The water kind of ends about 40 feet to my left, but it's filled with bullfrogs and stuff at the moment. There's a little walkway up here going up top. Let's see if we can get a good overtop view. In case you guys are wondering, this is accessible to the public, so I'll put a link down in the description with a little more history on this place and also how to get here and parking and all that. Crazy to think they carved this out of solid rock back in the day. Pretty far up here. Nice view, but let's go check out the actual tunnel. Here we go. I was actually here over a year ago before I started YouTube. All I had was my phone flashlight, so this is a little better. The place is super old and still intact. Little dot you see at the very end is the other end of the tunnel. It's a little creepy going at night and by myself, or close to nighttime and by myself. Adds to the attraction. What's the water looking like? Wow, still as can be. Okay, almost to the other side. For the most part, except for this section here, the bricks and the actual structure has been flawless. For as old as it is, I'd say I'm very impressed. It's kind of crazy, this little pathway we're on right now. Used to be where mules would help pull the boats through the canal. Being it was back in the 1800s, they didn't have nice flashlights like this. They just had to use torches. Well, the end's a little further than I thought. Put you guys away. Be there shortly. All right, everyone. Made it through Paw Paw Tunnel. This place is super cool. If you're passing through the area, it's definitely worth a visit. Berkeley Springs is nearby, so there's plenty of other things to see in the area. If you like historical places, caves, and abandoned places as much as I do, please like and subscribe. I'll be having hopefully a video coming out every Sunday or Tuesday. I'd love to have you all along with me for the adventures. All right, guys, I'll catch you next time.